Hi everyone and welcome back. This is Tiffany Garden with homesofdaytonabeach.com. Today we're going to be taking a drive through of Marisol, a neighborhood located here in Venetian Bay. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach us at www.homesofdaytonabeach.com. Thanks so much for joining us as we do our drive-through tour of the neighborhood of Marisol, located within the community of Venetian Bay right here in New Smyrna Beach, Florida. Venetian Bay is a really large community, and there are two separate entrances to Venetian Bay. Here on the map, you can see that you can get to it from Highway 44, and Marisol is located just off of the Pioneer Trail entrance, so it's really easy to get in and out of your neighborhood. Marisol is going to be one of the smaller communities here within Venetian Bay. However, you can see how well maintained almost every single one of these properties are. A lot of these homes are going to be a bit larger, and they are going to be sitting on larger lots than what you would see with some of those new construction builds where the houses are just so close to each other. So that's a really nice feature here in Marisol. You'll have two types of views to choose from here in Marisol. One view will be the beautiful lake views, and you can just imagine yourself sitting out there of an evening, watching the sunset, relaxing, having a glass of tea or coffee. And the other homes in this area are going to have beautiful preserve views. So if you're into bird watching, then you're going to see some amazing wildlife like sandhill cranes, maybe even some deer. So if that's something that you enjoy, then you would definitely like the preserve views here in Marisol. Venetian Bay is a really golf cart friendly community, and they do have an 18-hole public golf course that residents can use here 7 days a week. So if you do own a golf cart, you'll be happy to know that a lot of the homes here in Marisol do actually offer a 3-car garage. So it makes it really easy to just park your golf cart right in your garage until you're ready to hop on it and take a spin. You can head on up to the town center. That's kind of like the hub of Venetian Bay as a whole. And here you're going to find a ton of different restaurants. They've got some shopping located in there, a really nice ice cream place. There's also a gym and a church, among a lot of other things at the town center that you can participate in. Venetian Bay does also have a really amazing resort-style pool and tiki bar. That is a separate membership from your regular master HOA that you would be paying as a resident of Venetian Bay. But if you did choose to join that pool and tiki bar area, you're going to find a gorgeous pool. They do have a nice kids pool area as well. Plenty of lounging space, plenty of shade, and they do a lot of community events up at the pool for residents, so that's just a really fun activity to participate in on the weekends. I spoke briefly about the Homeowners Association fees here in Venetian Bay, so I'd like to expand on that just a little bit more. As a resident here of Venetian Bay, you are going to have a Master Homeowners Association, or you may hear it referred to as an HOA. Some neighborhoods within Venetian Bay are going to have a sub-HOA. So if you are curious about which neighborhoods do or don't have a sub-HOA, then just drop a comment below and we'd be happy to answer any of those questions for you about HOAs within Venetian Bay. Thanks so much for watching our drive-through tour of Marisol here in Venetian Bay. Of course, if you do have any questions about Marisol or any of the other neighborhoods here in Venetian Bay, feel free to visit the description below, and here you're going to find some links to the available listings here in Marisol and Venetian Bay. Or you can always visit us on our website at www.homesofdaytonabeach.com.